You are using the RSI incorrectly all the time. If other traders tell you to sell when it's overbought and buy when it's oversold, that's what I call a complete scam. My name is Marcus, and today we take a dive into the Relative Strength Index. The Relative Strength Index is a simple yet effective indicator, and I will show you how to use it. In this video, I will show you how to use it correctly and how you can get an edge in the markets. First, let's add the indicator to our chart. Go to TradingView and click on the Indicators tab. Search for this indicator and add it to your chart. Then click on the Settings icon and change the RSI period to 30. Then go to the Style tab and uncheck this box. Next, we want to add another indicator. Go to the Indicators tab and search for this indicator. Then change the settings so the period is set to 21 and the proportion is set to 2. This indicator will color our candles differently if there is a large amount of volume in the candle. In this example, the candle will be colored differently if the volume in that particular candle is 2 times the size of the average volume in the past 21 candles. Now that we have our indicator set up, it's time to set the right time frame. I mostly use lower time frames, and for this example, we will be using the 15-minute time frame. If you have used the RSI before, you were probably told that when the price hits the overbought level, it's time to place your sell order. Don't get me wrong, many traders use it that way. While this is true in some cases, the RSI can also show how strong the momentum is, and you don't want to be stuck in a position while price continues the current trend. Let me give you an example. You can see that the RSI just hit the overbought level. This is a strong signal that there might be some bullish momentum coming in. To confirm our entry, we want to have a high volume candle that appears just when the RSI hits the overbought level. Once it appears, we can enter our buy position for a quick scalp and exit at the next significant zone or resistance level. Let's evaluate another trade. As you can see here, the price just hit the oversold level. And luckily for you, you didn't place your long order here. We can also see that there is a big candle with a lot of volume behind it. Now again, our entry is confirmed and we place our short order. Now don't be too optimistic. You can see, for example, here that it's not always a guarantee for success. In some cases, the price loses its momentum and reverses in the opposite direction. But overall, I think this can be a very effective way for spotting potential extra momentum in the market. Another thing to keep an eye out for are different session times. Asia tends to move rather slow, while when London kicks in, the volatility goes through the roof. The same thing with New York session. In this period of time, you would often see a continuation of the direction that London have set, or a complete reversal of the trend. In my next video, I will discuss how to read market structure so you can become a better trader. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss it.